Are you ready to sculpt your arms and see real results in just 1 week? If you're looking to transform your arm strength and definition quickly, this experiment will show you how. In this video, we're diving into a 7-day arm transformation workout experiment that's designed to deliver fast results. We'll break down the most effective exercises and tips to get your arms in top shape. Tip 1. Start with targeted strength training exercises like bicep curls and tricep dips. This is key because focusing on these specific muscles helps to build strength and muscle definition effectively. Tip 2. Incorporate high-intensity interval training height into your routine. Incorporating this into your routine can boost your overall workout efficiency and help burn fat faster, revealing those toned arms. Tip 3. Don't underestimate the power of proper nutrition. Eating a balanced diet with enough protein supports muscle recovery and growth, which is crucial for seeing results. Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best height workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Tip 4. Consistency is crucial. By sticking to this routine for 7 days, you can build strength and see noticeable changes in your arm muscles. To recap, focusing on targeted strength training, incorporating height, maintaining proper nutrition, and being consistent are powerful steps toward a transformed arm workout. Start with these tips and see how quickly you can achieve your fitness goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit.